Hey everybody. All right. So on Twitter, I was asked to actually make a Chrome extension tutorial on how to create a simple, very simple Chrome extension and how to do it from ground zero all the way to production. And it is actually really easy with some of the tools that are available to us today. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do it using AI, and this video is going to be significantly shorter than you probably would anticipate. Um, all right, let's get into it. It's really kind of crazy how easy it is. Great. So I'm on Claude and I am going to create, let's say, uh, I've created a breathing app. So let's do that. So let's create a Pomodoro timer kind of thing. So every 15 minutes, it will give me a reminder to do something. So actually, yeah, let's create a Pomodoro timer. I haven't done that one, so that's new. All right, so starting here, watch this. Uh, Create a Chrome extension um, that is a Pomodoro timer. Make it configurable by how many minutes, uh, between each break. Between each break, have a countdown of 5 minutes in 5 minutes for each break, and make it pretty, right? So now got to create a manifest file. There you go. Then it creates the HTML, does some CSS, and then the JavaScript that actually does the Chrome extension part. And let's see, I am now at 2 minutes and 49 seconds into this. Great, so let's see what it looks like. So I come over here. I am going to copy this. I don't know what publish does. What does publish do? Oh yeah, no, I don't want to publish it. So let's copy this. And then I am going to go into this, which is a completely empty folder, new file, manifest.json. Great. Paste, save. The next file is popup.html. Copy, new file, popup.html. Paste, save, style.css, copy, new file, style.css, paste, save. Here, I'll zoom that in a little bit. That makes it a little bit easier for you all to read. Sorry about that. And then script.js, copy, new file, script.js, and paste. Great. So one of the things, it has these PNGs in it. Gave it a name, gave it version, but I don't have these PNGs. But let's start with this. Great. Now let's see what it tells me to do. Create a new directory and save each. Yep, did that. Create 3 icon files. Oh yeah, I don't have icon files. Can you create SVGs for those icon files? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Uh, so now I got to convert these PNG SVGs to PNGs. Great. So let's save one of these. I'll just take the biggest one. I want the code. Copy. New file. Icon 128 SVG. Paste. Save. All right, so now I need to create this. All right, so let's. It actually might be pretty easy to do that. Let's see. Oops. Do I have GIMP installed? I do. So GIMP is a image processor very similar to like Photoshop, but it's free and open source, and it's pretty amazing. And I have not used it yet. So now I want to file, open. Screw it. I'm just going to do this. Reveal File Explorer. Great. And now I'll just take this and drag it here. 128 by 128. Great. And then export as, and this will be PNG. And it'll save in the same thing. Export. Great. Then image, scale image. What's the other size I need? It was 48 and 16. So let's do 48. Scale. And then image. And then export as. This is 48. Export. And then file. I gotta image scale 16 scale file export as, and this is going to be 16 and export. Great. So there's my Discord changes, whatever. So now I have 16, 48, 128, manifest. They're all PNGs. All of that's good. Great. Let's go back to Claude. Here. And it tells you, let's say, open Chrome, go to Chrome extensions, enable developer mode, top right corner. I've already done that. Load unpacked and select the directory. So now I go to my Chrome extensions right here, load unpacked. I will go to projects here. It's Chrome, and I select folder. And there are errors. What is the errors? Reloaded errors. Oh, manifest version 2 is deprecated. Oh, so let me tell Claude that. Manifest version 2 is deprecated. And let's copy this and save that and come back here. Load, unpack, whoops, cancel. And then reload it. There we go. No errors. It's enabled. So let's see if it's working. Manage extensions. Pomodoro retire. I'm going to pin it. Oh, look, there's the little icon. And there it is. I can start it. How crazy is that? Sorry, it's my camera automatically switches just to give you some kind of, yeah, it switches back. But look at that, done. Work duration is 25 minutes. Click on start. So it is now counting down. If I want to, I can play with this, and that is it. So I have just created one. So what's really fun about this is I can literally do this, open with live server, and it'll show me this. And then I can start playing with the styling if I really want to. Actually, you know what? I'll just leave that as a live server. I'll leave that there. And I'll open that. Actually, I want that. Oops. How do I think? Yeah, there we go. And I want this here. Come on. There we go. Great. And I don't even need this. So we can actually do this real time. Here's what's really cool about body background color. Let's change. Oh, let's see. F, and let's see if I can pick a fun color. Since it's tomato theme, we'll go with something like that. Beautiful. Save that. And pop up styles.css, styles.css. And let's see. Open with live server. Well, that's interesting. Oh, because the container. So that doesn't matter. It's the container that matters. Where is it? Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't look like it's loading the style. Pop-up.html. Well, let's see if this is even being... Yep, this is definitely it. Styles. If I name the file right, it would probably work. Oops. Rename styles. There we go. So now let me change this back to white. That's a little better. That's good. Font color should be white. Actually, I want it a little less than that, so let's do like that. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Background color, start, reset. That looks good. Label should be that. Ready to start should be that. And that looks good. So then if I reload this and I click on this, look at that. And let's see, how long did that take me? 15 minutes. And that is with an intro and styling. And that was it. Now, if you really want to go through, I could click on start because I reloaded it. So it's time to work right now. And I can have a break every 25 minutes. And it'll be a 5-minute break. Now, how do I know it's going to be a 5-minute break? So let's go into here. And we'll leave that up. So let's just go through this code real quick of what it created. It gets the elements, the timer, start button, reset button, work duration, and status. So all it's doing is getting the items on the page to see what it's going to do. It has a function called update display. So all it's going to do is update that display so you can actually see the countdown of the timer as you go through it. The set interval of the time left, it's literally going to do a subtraction. Basically, it's going to update the display based off of that. Time left divided by 60 because it's on 60 seconds. Time left mod 60, that's basically, that's the floor. It's dividing mod 60. So it'll be 0. Time equals 0 is working. So time left, if the time left equals 0, clear the interval is working, is now not working. So it toggles that state. Status display text content, work time, break time, and then it will start the timer. And this event, where's the set interval? Oh, there it is. The set interval is happening every second. So that's why this counter is actually being updated every second. I can pause it. And if it's in pause, it will, text content should change to pause. And it did pause. And now it resumed. Pause, resume. Oh, it's interesting. When I resume it, it's actually resetting it. It is actually not resuming it. So that's a bug. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to have to go. Reset timer, add event listener. So the add event listener is actually what's doing it. The reset, where's the pause? Reset timer, that's fine. Where's the pause button? Yeah, I gotta take my dogs out. Anyway, that is it for this. I want to see where the pause button is. Sorry, I have to find this. Start, resume, reset, display. So let's tell Claude it messed up. When I click pause, it doesn't pause, it resets the counter. Can you fix that? Ella. There it is. All right, so now if I put this back here, yeah, I gotta go. And then I come back to here. I don't need that one, but I go to this, reload it, click on it, start it. Now it's working. If I pause it, it's paused. And I resume, it resumes. So 56, paused, resume. That was it. So there is an extension in Chrome that I created in 15 minutes. It's really crazy. That is all for today. Yeah, it's that easy. That's some of the benefits of AI. Obviously, this is a simple tutorial, but you can use this to actually expand and create bigger things. But I think it's a great start. I will upload this to YouTube if it's probably already there. And I will post this on Twitter since somebody asked me for it. So there you go. I hope it helps. I will talk to y'all later, and thanks for tuning in. Have a good one. Bye.